Morning. Morning, everyone. You see this little village? Apparently, he said there was a tent put up here this morning.
Yeah.
But
Blue white.
This is all part of the adaptation programs that government is undertaking. And this is all fully funded by government.
Yes.
We have huge requests, not only for construction of seawalls, we also have a lot of requests for relocation. We have started with a few villages with the relocation, and particularly after Winston, there's a lot of requests for relocation, and that's part of our Build Back Better, Safer strategy.
Yes.
We are not exposing them to the same level of risk. So this for us is a very key component of the climate change program, particularly with our adaptation. And as I've stated, there's a lot of requests now for us. But this was just a small allocation that government initiated around 2012 to start addressing some of the issues that are raised. For this village, this is the third seawall. The first was in the 70s and then again late 80s. And this is the third. So climate change is not new for us. As I indicated, if you look at that building, the end of that building, that was the shoreline. And if you can take that straight to the other side of but this is all reclaimed.
Yes.
As a result of, but the walls keep collapsing. It's 244 meters with a 2.5 meter height. And hopefully this will protect us from that. So, and you will have a few other projects in the folder. We won't bore you with that because we know the sun is hot. And if you have any questions, if you want to take a walk, and the officials are here, they can help you or answer your questions if there are any.
Well, First Minister, I really think that for all of us that are working more at the global level, there's nothing more inspiring than actually seeing things at the local level. But there's a really direct connection between the two. And that's what Fiji is trying to do, is to mobilize global action on climate change, both to reduce the risk from climate change, but also prepare for the impacts. And that's what you're precisely doing here, and your government is showing leadership on this. But it's really seeing it firsthand is very different from reading about it, and also it's additional value for us because we know the minister, to see how that you were grew up here, and you know how the village has developed.